it is what it is nonetheless. Naming, make sure I get the correct title right there. Naming whole numbers. And money. Which means really the same thing as saying them and writing them down. There's not very often in our real world where you have to actually write the name of numbers down, but if you've ever seen a check, your parents ever write checks? Anybody parents ever write a check or something? When you write a check, you actually have to write the thing out in words. In a check, you have something that looks like this. Here's my check. You know, usually your parent's name is up here, Mr. John Smith, and blah, 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 blah. And then it says, pay to the order. That's who you're writing the check out to, and in this case, let's pay Mr. Hahn. Up here is the date. Then you write how much money you're paying them. Let's say you're giving me $10.50.
I'll give you $5,000.
Okay. And then down here, as kind of a double check to make sure that this is the right thing you wanted to say, you are supposed to write this number in words down here. Okay, so believe it or not, I've had some kids come to the hot dog stand who her parents gave them a check and they didn't know how to write the numbers out. So this is actually, it may come in handy at some point too. So you need to learn how to write that number there. Now let's start without money first. Let's just look at a number here. 636. You write it and you say that number the same way. Anybody know how to say 636 written in like the actual words? Ava? Now, you're close. Anybody tell me what Ava did wrong? She said 636. What did she do wrong? Caleb?
She said 636.
Yeah, and instead it should be
636.
Yeah, the one main point I like to make is the word and you only use for decimals. You see a decimal. So you don't say the word and, even though everybody in the real world does it. It's one of those little things that mathematicians like to just enforce the rule on. When you say this word, you should say 636. If you're in your spelling books, anytime you have numbers between what? 21 and 99, there should be a hyphen between them. So this is how you write that out in words. 636. I don't know how high they give it to you. Let's see. Or this number here. How do we write this number here? It's not 101. It's just 101. 101. Now back to our money. Back to our money. If I want to write this amount here, this is $10, and then you say the word and 50 cents. And a check, it's a little different, but I'll write it down here. It would look like this: $10, and see, there's the and because of the decimal point. 50 cents. That would be how you would say and write that. The word and is for the decimal point there. What other one do you guys? Okay. The question out there? Yes, sir?
I thought that instead of like 50 cents, I thought you did like 100, then
Yeah, you do a fraction, but we're not going to get into that right now. I just thought I'd throw it there. You're right. Technically, when you do a check, you actually make the cents a fraction, but we're not going to do that because it would just confuse both you and everybody else. So we'll just leave it like that for now. Oh, good, I'm glad you knew that, actually. How about this one? Use digits to write $503.50. Use digits to write $503.50. It's important to note that the word is the word "and" there, so that is where the decimal point would go. You've got the dollars in front of the decimal point, the cents behind it. How do you write 503? 503 is pretty simple. It is just, Caleb.
503.
Yep, 503. And 50 cents is just and 50 cents. And make sure you put the dollar sign in front of that, otherwise it would not be right, because dollars are not the same as non-dollars. It tells you, if we're working with money, we have to work with money. And I think that's going to be pretty much the whole thing. It's not very tough. I'm sure you've done all sorts of stuff here. Don't want to waste more of your time than